Hello, everyone, and welcome to Mathics. Don't mind this, I've had a minor accident. Well, let's focus on the equation here. To understand it better, I want to go through a graph with you. You see, now this is we're going to go with the function for the left-hand side equation over here. And what if x is 1? If x is 1, it's going to be 1 to power of 1 to power of 8, which is going to be 1, right? So f1 is 1. If I want to draw it, it would be this point over here. Now, if this is 2, what happens? It's going to be 2 to power of 4 multiplied by 2 to power of 8. These together will create 2 to power of 10, which is 1024. So I'm going to write this one over here. But it was like 2 to this power, and it's going to be a huge number. So when x is 2, y is literally in the sky. Like 2 to power of this will go, woo, just way up. So if I want to draw the graph between 1 and 2, well, it would go really speedily out, right? So completely up. Okay. Now, what does the question want? It says, for what value is this going to be 2, right? So to be 2, this is going to be 2. If y is 2, I have to go all the way here and then go all the way down, right? So we know that it's going to be between 1 and 2, but probably much closer to 1. It's going to be 1 point something very small. Okay, right now, I want you to make your guess, and then we're going to solve the equation, and then we'll see how close you were to the answer. Okay, to solve this equation together, you see, I want to get rid of this, right? This power over here. To do that, I'm going to call this a new thing. I'm going to call it t, right? So the top part will be 4t, right? The top word will be 4t. And what happens to x if this is t? Then 1x would be, I'm going to go on write it here. 1x would be t to power of 1 over 8. So I'm going to write it here. Instead of this x, I'm going to go on and write t to power of 1 over 8. Okay, to power of 4t. Okay, and now we know how to simplify this, right? All we have to do is multiply these two numbers. This is going to be 1 over 2t. Okay, this equals 2. Okay, I can write this as 2 to power of 1, right? Because it's going to be 2 again. Now let's compare this. Can you guess what is the value of t? You see, if t instead of t, if I write if t is 2, then half of t would be 1, which is going to be the right-hand side. So for that reason, t will be 2. Okay. So now we know that x to power of 8 is just 2. So I'm going to write it here. Okay, so let's see here. Do you know how many solutions this equation has? It could have up to 8 solutions, but only 2 of them are real. And we're going to focus on those in this video. So from here, x would be, okay, a square root, no, like the 8th root of 2. Because it's an even number, I'm going to add a positive and negative, okay? It's going to be 0, 9, 0, 5, Okay, so now let me know how close you guessed the right answer. It's going to be 1.1. So if you guessed that one or round down, well done to you.